In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce PDF file size in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Document once you have your PDF open, and you want to click on Document, and then down here it's going to say Reduce File Size. Click on this, and then over here, as you can see, you have your files. You want to click on the one that's relevant over here, and then you can go ahead and add new ones if you want. I'm not going to do that right now. And here it's going to show you the current file size, and then here you'll be able to see the estimated file size, which in this instance is a 70% reduction in size. Now here you could go ahead and of course set some output options. You could go to the left, which will improve quality. So as you can see, this will retain the highest image quality, but if you go all the way to the right here, this will basically reduce the image quality significantly, and then some things may be difficult to read or maybe even unreadable. So make sure you go ahead and find your own balance. Of course, likely if you go in the middle over here, which is the recommended balance over here in the middle, it's usually going to be very good as well. So you can go ahead, and as you can see, I can get a 70% reduction, which is crazy. So the first one was this big. If I now go ahead and click on save, I can go ahead and override it or not. I'm not going to override it, so I'm going to click on no here, and then I'm just going to save this as, for example, size, and then I'm going to go to downloads, click on save, and as you can see over here, there we go, this has now worked, and the original was that, the estimated was this, and then the final was actually even less. Now percent decrease was 73.25%, which is actually very good. And if I now were to open this document, which already opened over here, this document is now smaller. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.